Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about relations between EMFs and powers for different phases. Let's see, I will give you one question and you have to do remaining all questions. I will give you explanation for only one question. See, generally the EMF equation depends on EMF mainly depends on number of turns EMF per phase, depends on number of turns per phase and KD distribution factor, and the power output or KVA rating, both are same, is depends on the power output or KVA rating depends on especially KD distribution factor. So based on this, they are asking questions in our examination. So these are very important. How they will ask you question? What is EMF in three phase to the EMF in single phase? What is EMF in two phase to the EMF in single phase? What is EMF in two phase to the EMF in three phase or EMF in two phase? Like that they are asking questions. As well as same, the KVA rating in three phase to the KVA rating in single phase. As usually, like this they will ask you question. These are the 6 questions. And 6 reversed, nothing but E1 phase to the E3 phase, E1 phase to the E2 phase, E2 phase to the E3 phase, KVA 1 phase to the KVA 3 phase, those 6 questions. Finally 12 questions are there. That's it. I will give you only explanation for 2 questions. One for EMF and one for KVA rating. Remaining you have to do. Okay. So let's see. I am taking this one. The EMF in 3 phase to the EMF in single phase is equals to. So tell me the answer for this. So listen carefully here. Listen carefully. EMF in 3 phase to the EMF in single phase. What is that? It depends on, depends on turns and K. You should remember this. Before doing this problem, you should remember this. What is here? Turns per phase. Turns per phase is nothing but here T by 3, but here T upon 1 for 3 phase, for single phase. And next one, what is KD? KD 3 and KD 1, 3 phase and single phase. For this, KD 3 phase is nothing but sine m gamma by 2 by m into sine gamma by 2. This gamma, this m gamma value we know for 3 phase. As usually, here also sine m gamma by 2 upon m into sine gamma by 2. This m gamma also we know for single phase. This m for 3 phase and this m for single phase again. This m for 3 phase and this m for single phase. So see here, this t gets cancelled. So what is the answer here? Here 1 by 3, here 1 by 3. And here for 3 phase m gamma. Can you tell me what is m gamma for 3 phase? Very good, very good. What is the answer here for this? Sine 60 by 2, because m gamma is equals to 180 by 3. And okay, this one. And this one, sine m gamma by 2 for single phase, sine 180 by 2. This is sine 180 by 2 and this is sine 60 by 2, because this is 3 phase and this is single phase. Now this one, this sine gamma by 2 gets cancelled because gamma is same. Gamma is the same for all. There is no change in slat angle. There is no changes in slat angle. But M three phase and M single phase. M three phase and M single phase. Here M gamma is equals to 60 degrees and here M gamma is equals to 180 degrees. Then what is M here? Here M is equals to 60 upon gamma. Here M is equals to 180 upon gamma. This is M three phase and this is M single phase. So tell me, what is M three phase? M three phase in denominator, M single phase on numerator. M single phase is 180 upon gamma and M three phase is 60 upon gamma. Gamma is the same. So finally, what is the answer? 1 by 3 times of sine 60 by 2 and sine 180 by 2. What is the value of sine 60 by 2? Sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 90. Sine 90 is the 1 and 180 upon 60. This gets cancelled 3 and this gets cancelled 3. So the answer is 1 by 2. So finally, what is the conclusion? The EMF for three phase to the EMF for single phase is equals to 1 by 2. As usually, EMF for single phase to the EMF for three phase is equals to, in reverse is equals to 2. Yes or no? EMF in single phase to the EMF in three phase is equals to 2. Yes or no? Like this, they may ask you questions. This is generally procedure, how to do, actual procedure. But directly we can get the answer. How we can get the answer directly? Let's see here. How we can get the answer directly? Let's see here. Let's see here. You should remember this. You should remember this. See, for E three phase to the E single phase, for that, first of all, for three phase, you should know the gamma, M gamma, and for single phase, you should know the M gamma. So for three phase, that's why sine M gamma by 2, and for single phase, that's why sine M gamma by 2. This is 1. This is about KD. KD is completed. KD is completed. Of course, here we have gamma, right? So this is in reverse. See here. This 180 here and this 60 here. Now the KD is completed. So what is the trick? Three phase to the single phase. For that, M gamma by 2, and for this M gamma by 2, and this M gamma here and this M gamma here. This is KD completed. This is KD completed. Then what is tons? Tons for three phase and single phase. For three phase T by 3 and for single phase T by 1. That's it answer. This is also same, but I am doing directly. So how we can get the answer? T gets cancelled and this is 3 gets cancelled. Sine 30 1 by 2 and sine 91. So the answer is 1 by 2. Like that. Sir, I am not getting. Please give me another example. See, I am giving another example. Three phase to the two phase. How we can get the answer? Three phase to the two phase. Let's see. For three phase, what is the M gamma? Sine 60 by 2 upon, for two phase M gamma, sine 90 by 2. M gamma 90. And this 90 on numerator, this 60 on denominator. And this is three phase, that's why T by 3. This is two phase, that's why T by 2. That's it. Sir, next one. Please, next example, please. Next example. What is E two phase to the E single phase? How we can get? Tell me, sir. What is two phase M gamma? Two phase M gamma 90 and single phase M gamma 180. and this 180 on numerator, this 90 on denominator, and EMF, that's why T by 2 and T by 1. This is the way of answering. You should get the answer by solving this. 1.06, 1.414, 0.91, only those values. Only 4 values repeated. 0.57. Those only 4 values or 5 values repeated. You should do like this. This is the problem on relation between EMFs for different phases. If you know the relations between different phases, then the KVA rating is very easy. Nothing is there. For example, if they ask you a question, what is KVA rating for 3-phase to the KVA rating for single phase? If they ask you a question, KVA rating or power output only depends on KD. We should take only KD. That is no need of tons. So tell me how 3-phase. So sine 60 by 2 upon sine 180 by 2 and 180 on numerator and 60 on denominator. That's it. This is your answer. Yes, only this part. Only this part. So what is the answer? This is 1 sine 3 and this is 1 and this is 1 by 2. So finally the answer is 3 by 2. For example, if you want the KVA on 3-phase to the KVA on 2-phase, then only remove this one. That's it. You can get the answer directly. That's it. Very simple. But these relations are very important. They may ask you question on these relations. Okay. For example, they will ask you a question in different. For example, KD 120 degrees or 60 degrees by KD 120 degrees 3-phase and 3-phase. This is different. They are mentioned that both are 3-phase. But here phase spread is 60 degrees. Here phase spread is 120 degrees. But 3-phase. No problem. No problem. This is, they may ask you a question like this also. The KVA 60 degrees upon KVA 120 degrees 3-phase and 3-phase. They may ask you a question like this also. Then what is the answer? Then what is the answer? KVA for 60 degrees, KVA for 120 degrees phase spread. Both are 3-phase. If they ask you a question like that, then what is KVA 60? Nothing but KD 60. Nothing but sine 60 by 2 upon, for 120, sine 120 by 2 and reverse. I said you right, reverse. 120 upon 60. This is your answer. If you calculate this, how much? 1, 2 and sine 30. 1 by 2 and 2 upon sine 60. Upon sine 60. So, what is the value here? Upon sine 60. Sine 60 is the root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2. That is the answer is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 nothing but 1.15. This is the value. KVA 60 upon KVA 120 for 3-phase. If they given that 3-phase. For example, the same question they asked for EMF. EMF 60 and EMF 120 for 3-phase and 3-phase. Then same, what is that? KD 60, nothing but sine 60 by 2 and sine 120 by 2 and 120 upon 60. But this is the value of KD. Now tons. How we can take the tons, sir? Sir, both are 3-phase, sir. So what? 3-phase, that's why T by 3 and T by 3. If T by 3, T by 3, T by 3, T by 3 gets cancelled and this value is 1.15. So this value also 1.15. Like this, they may ask you question. Here in this question differently, they given 60 and 120 but 3-phase. They may give you here 180 but 3-phase. Actually, this is not possible because if 180 is there, it must and should be single phase. Then how we can get the answer? Here also 180 single phase. Then how we can get the answer? Here 180 upon 2 and here 180 once, thrice. So sine 31 by 2 and this is 3 and this is 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. They're given 60 and 180. So sine 60 by 2, sine 180 by 2 and here reverse. Like that, they may ask you question on relations. Very important. Thank you.